Because you know what, there is no, the awards is distributed wisely. Very appreciated, highly appreciated to the knowledge and well-deserved pile of judges. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And to finish the major award, let's go for the best in gown. Girls, can you please stand up to show again your beautiful gowns? Put your own things on that.
So our best in gown is where it's first impression, the posture, the confidence, and of course the stage presence, and how to showcase their shining, shimmering, splendid gown. So our best in gown. Who's the best? It's so very tight, ladies and gentlemen. I highly appreciated, I highly commended with all the board of judges for today's Miss Calendar Girl 2024. And our best now is standing number 8. Is here standing number 8. It's a tie-breaking competition, but the all of judges decided that candidate number 8 will be our best in gown for today.
Best in gown, Miss Gigi Espigar, para wala na sila dito, and Mr. Nico Lati actually, so, okay.
May I request all the committee of photography to stay at the center for the preparation of the picture purposes.
Partner, we forgot to call the space for the special award. We didn't finish it. This one, yes.
We have also again pahabol of
It's not pahabol. It's not pahabol. We just got read. We forgot.
Okay, I forgot to mention our beach body is candidate number 5 is awarded to
Beach body.
Awarded from rather
Serendipity. Beach body.
Wala bang sunshine? There's no such a beach.
There is.
No,
let me see the beach body.
Miss Beach Body.
No, number Elizabeth. So we have around number Elizabeth Candy, Beach Body. Yeah, no, it's not number 5. Elizabeth Candy is number 6. Yeah.
Steve Harvey na tayo live. So nandito na tayo sa era ng Miss Universe.
I'm sorry, Miss Ronafi. Sorry.
I am very sorry.
Oh.
So Miss Elegant.
Number 6. It's not number 5. Number 6, Elizabeth Candy. Another Elizabeth Candy.
Another award from
I'm sorry, but this is wrong. This is number 6. Elizabeth Candy is number 6. Yeah. This is number 6.
and stay at the center because you got also this special award of seductive look and Miss Beauty Line. So candidate number 6 is the Miss Beauty Line, Seductive Look, and Miss Elegance.
Ako naman. And the shame is, yeah, please come over for more here. Of course, Miss Shane.
I request the Miss Jean to...
She is this one. We have Miss Shane there, the envelope. Who got the Miss Shane?
Who want the Miss Jean?
Us, yes, it's her. And of course, Miss Alori. This one is for. Where is the?
So, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you again sa mga nagkikirang mga mukha-mukha dyan. Maraming salamat sa pag-stay po. Despite of all the circumstances of this event, nanatili po kayong lahat dyan. So, maraming salamat. So, our Miss Alluring is candidate number... Of course, Miss Olympia is candidate number 5. Sure na